Yes, so now we are discussing about metal business. Metal business. In that today we are discussing about wrought iron furniture making business. Wrought iron furniture making business. Wrought iron is a specific type of iron allow with low carbon content in contrast to cast iron. Wrought iron furniture are popular nowadays. Wrought iron furniture is the best choice of wrap patio furniture. Wrought iron is amazingly durable and sturdy and can resist even the harvest of weather. Choosing wrought iron type furniture is that it is incredibly versatile. Powder coated wrought iron furniture comes with different modern and innovative design and model. Who are having interest in this field can start wrought iron furniture making. Another important thing is in wrought iron furniture is powder coating will be there. That coating will come 5 to 6 years. So after 6 years, you should again it should scrub it and again powder painting is most important. Then it will be forever in your lifetime. And next point is business registration. Some of the basic requirements: register your business, obtain trade license, apply for MSME, Udyog Aadhar, apply for VAT registration. For export, you will need to obtain IEC code, open a current account for the commercial transactions, use industrial exhaust fans at your painting room. Next point is plant setup and machinery. A 200 square meter area is sufficient for small scale operation. Provide specific spaces for raw material storage, production area, painting zone, finished goods storage, and space for official work. Arrange the utilities like current and water. It is always better to have the place in industrial zone. Availability of labor and transport is must. And the next point is machinery equipment. Treadle, guillotine, shearing machine, power press, hand operated brake press machine, spot welding machine with accessories, hand operated hydraulic pipe bending machine, drilling machine, air compressor with motor and spray gun, oxyacetylene gas welding set, pickling tanks, power haksha machine 6 inches jaw capacity, stoving chamber of fabricated. And next is select the machinery carefully, find a lot of technically upgraded tools in the market, procure tools and equipment as per your desired quality and output demand. Next point is manufacturing process. Procure plenty of raw material of wrought iron in the shape of round, square iron rods, square pipes, and also in other sectional forms from the market. Craft the design, then cut the sheets, strips, and tubular wrought iron to the required sizes, then press to shape, bend in a press brake for sides and dryers. Bags of chairs, sofas, and beds consist of decorative designing of various kinds of flowers and leaves, etc. And next point is you can make with the pressing machine from the strips. Do welding the sides and backs of wrought iron furniture. You can make the holes by drilling. Spray painting gives a good look. And next point is raw materials. Wrought iron pipes of different diameter size, wrought iron strips in different sizes, angle irons and rounds in different sizes, seating material for chairs and sofas, coir foam sheets for beds, components like nuts, bolts, rivets, welding rods and paints, etc. And next point is procure the raw materials from the local wholesale market. Procuring wrought iron materials from the manufacturer. Grow your business by expanding areas and distribution channels. This is the information regarding wrought iron furniture. It is also having very good advantage and some when compared to Take wood furniture, wrought iron furniture will come around 30% less than the cost of the take wood. So this is the information. So it is nowadays wrought iron furniture is an advanced and it is a model and fashion nowadays. Wishing you all the best.